Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Chinese Checkers is probably one of the most timeless and engaging board games that has captivated families and friends for generations, offering a delightful blend of strategy, luck, and social interaction that makes it a perfect addition to any game night or a thoughtful gift for players of all ages, promising hours of fun and friendly competition as you navigate the star-shaped board and race your marbles to the opposite point. Number 5. Queensell Dominos Set, Double 6 Classic Board Game. Introducing the Queensell Dominos Set, a classic board game perfect for family fun. This set brings timeless entertainment to your home. Crafted with durable melamine, these tiles feature indented, well-painted dots that are built to last. Enjoy years of quality gameplay with vibrant, eco-friendly paint. This set includes 28 classic black dotted ivory dominoes, complete with spin rivets. They come neatly stored in a stylish brown wood case for easy portability and storage. Designed for 2 to 4 players, this game offers engaging fun for the whole family. It's a fantastic way to connect and create memories together. Looking for a gift? This domino set is ideal for Christmas, birthdays, or any occasion. It's a wonderful present for both kids and adults, perfect for game nights and travel. Each tile is perfectly weighted and balanced for an optimal gaming experience. Their ideal size ensures comfortable handling during extended play sessions. What we like? If you're looking for a classic game with a premium feel, this set is for you. The durable melamine tiles ensure long-lasting play, and the included wood case adds a touch of elegance for storage. The spin rivet design on each tile offers a satisfying tactile experience, making it a great choice for those who appreciate quality craftsmanship in their board games. What people say? The dominoes are large and easier for him to see, and he's been enjoying them so much. The classic black and white dominoes are easy to read, with clearly marked dots, making them great for both casual and serious play. The wooden storage box adds a nice touch. It's sturdy, well-crafted, and keeps everything neatly organized when not in use. Number 4. We Games Wooden Checkers Pieces with Storage Bag. Never let a lost piece ruin your fun. Keep your game going strong with these replacement pieces, designed with ridges for effortless stacking during gameplay. Experience the premium feel of these wooden checkers. Made from solid wood, they are durable and crafted to elevate every checker set. Store your pieces in no time. Each set of 24 comes with a convenient drawstring storage bag, so they are always organized and ready for your next match. From casual play to family game nights, these pieces bring fun to any gathering. This set is also a fantastic gift for every enthusiast. We Games has been uniting people through beautifully crafted board games since 1977. With a focus on quality and tradition, our games are designed to be cherished for years to come. What we like? If you need to replace lost pieces or want a high-quality set of checkers, consider this option. The wooden construction is built to last, and the ridged design makes stacking during gameplay effortless. The included drawstring bag ensures easy organization, making it perfect for players who value durability and convenience. What people say? These are awesome checkers, sold by We Games, 2 size. They are normal weight for checkers, they stack for the kings, perfectly fitting the top one's extended smaller circular base into the deeper lower one's circular top level. They come in a fabric drawstring bag to keep them together, they fit the 2 squares on the board, they are well made and sturdy, and they are a quality wood and paint or dye job. The red-black 1.5 wood checker pieces by We Games are excellent quality at a great price. The checker pieces are just about the perfect size for a tournament-sized chessboard, 2.25 squares. I think for $10 this was a good deal, for real wooden checker pieces and a nice drawstring bag. Number 3. We Games Wooden Checkers Pieces, 1.06 inch. Never let a lost piece ruin your fun. Keep your game going strong with these checker pieces, designed with ridges for effortless stacking during gameplay. Experience the premium feel of these wooden checkers. Made from solid wood, they are durable and crafted to elevate every checker set. Store your wood checker pieces in no time. Each set of 24 pieces comes with a convenient drawstring storage bag, so they are always organized and ready for your next match. From casual play to family game nights, these wood checkers bring fun to any gathering. This set is also a fantastic gift for loved ones. We Games has been uniting people through beautifully crafted board games since 1977. With a focus on quality and tradition, our games are designed to be cherished for years to come. What we like. If you're searching for replacement game pieces or a versatile set for checkers and backgammon, this is an excellent choice. These wooden pieces are designed with stackable ridges for smooth gameplay and come with a convenient drawstring bag for storage. If you enjoy classic games and want reliable, well-crafted pieces, this set is ideal. What people say. They are lighter than expected. Would have preferred some that were heavier in weight. Very nice classic wooden checker set for our 125-year-old checkerboard. High quality and beautiful finish. Classic cotton bag with a drawstring, too. Works perfect for my small checkerboard table. Number 2. We Games Solid Wood Checkers Board Game. Dive into the world of checkers board game fun with 24 game pieces. It's perfect for sharpening strategic thinking while keeping everyone engaged. Have a great time with family and friends. Built with solid wood construction, this board game features a 14.5-inch board with recessed grooves. This keeps the pieces organized and makes cleanup a breeze. Take your favorite game on the go with this portable travel checkers board game. Enjoy quality time playing cool board games wherever you are. This vintage game set bridges the gap between generations. It's a perfect addition to any game collection, promoting critical thinking and enhancing social skills. We have been uniting people through beautifully crafted board games since 1977. Our games are designed with a focus on quality and tradition, to be cherished for years to come. What we like. If you're seeking a complete and portable checkers experience, this set is a fantastic option. It features a solid wood board with inset grooves to keep pieces organized, and the entire set is designed for play anywhere. If you enjoy traditional games and want a durable, travel-friendly board for family fun, this is the one to get. What people say. Quality board with storage for the checkers. This solid wood red and black checkers board is like a piece of furniture on display in our living room. It is exactly what I've been looking for years. It is the perfect size for our whole family and guests to enjoy this fun game. The quality of the pieces and the design of the board is extremely functional for keeping the checkers in their designated place. The best checkerboard ever. Beautiful wood. The pieces are wood, and they store brilliantly in the board, visually beautiful and very high quality. Number 1. Pressman Chinese Checkers Classic Strategy Board Game. Experience the timeless fun of Chinese checkers with this classic strategy board game. It's perfect for family game nights and offers competitive fun for everyone. Enjoy classic gameplay on a beautifully colorful game board. This game is designed for 2 to 6 players, ages 7 and up, ensuring fun for the whole family. Everything you need is included to start playing right away. It comes with 60 brightly colored marbles, ready for exciting gameplay. The goal is simple yet engaging: be the first player to successfully move all your marbles across the board. Strategic thinking is key to victory. This game is a fantastic addition to any game collection. It provides hours of entertainment for kids, teens, and adults alike. Gather your friends and family for a game night. It's suitable for 2 to 6 players, making it a versatile choice for gatherings of all sizes. What we like. If you're looking for a fun, engaging game for a group, this Chinese checkers set is perfect. It includes colorful marbles and a classic board designed for 2 to 6 players, making it ideal for family game nights or gatherings. If you enjoy strategy games that are easy to learn but offer competitive fun, this timeless entertainment option is a great addition to any collection. What people say. This big, large size board is the most fun to play on. The cardboard Pressman version has been a standard in most homes since before I was a kid. Nice affordable game for family night. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.